In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest and the easiest way to create Windows 11 bootable flash drive using Rufus. No complicated steps, even no confusion. Let's begin step by step. Before we start this video, make sure you have these three things. You must have the USB flash drive with at least 8 to 16 GB capacity. Make sure you have internet and it is well connected in your PC. You need the official Windows 11 ISO file. You must have at least any version of Rufus on your PC. And another thing you should remember, this process will completely erase all your data file on your flash drive. Make sure you back up your files before you begin this process. Step 1. Download the Windows 11 ISO file. Go to the Google search and search Download Windows 11 ISO Microsoft. Click on the official website. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO file. Download the Windows 11 disk image. Down here you select Windows 11 in 64-bit. Then down here, click on Confirm. After clicking on Confirm, it will take you to this window where you are going to select the product language. I'm going to select English, that is my official language. Then I click on Confirm. After clicking on Confirm, it will take you to this window. Then click on blue box where there is a word 64-bit. Your file will automatically download and it may take 30 to 40 minutes according to your internet speed. Another step, we need the Rufus application. Go to the Google search, type there rufus.ie, you press enter on your keyboard. Once you press enter, it will drive you to this website. You scroll down, in this box you see standard, portable. For me, I chose standard. Is the best for my machine. Then you click here on Rufus X. It will automatically download. As you can see, it has even already finished. After getting all of these, remember we need a flash disk. Insert your flash disk in your PC. Double click on Rufus X. It will automatically detect your flash disk. Here you will see boot selection. You see disk or ISO image. Click on select. Look for the folder where your Windows ISO file is. Double click on it. Go to the partition scheme. Don't change it from GPT. You see file system. It is in NTFS. Then you click on start. If you reach to this window, click on OK. Remember, by doing this process, Rufus will erase all your data on your flash drive. So you better back up your data before you start this process. Here you click on OK. This process may take 10 to 25 minutes. If your process reached to 100%, then the process of extracting Windows, your flash, is done. Now go to your drive section and check whether your Windows bootable flash drive is being extracted. As you can see mine here. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this Windows bootable flash drive or how to boot your PC using flash drive. and install Windows. Don't miss the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to comment. See you in the next video.